Are you tired of jumping between screens and reports just to make smart purchasing decisions? This powerful report for QuickBooks Enterprise Manufacturing and Wholesale puts every critical data point at your fingertips, something literally impossible to get in a single report inside QuickBooks. At a glance, see your current inventory, sales commitments, purchase orders, and reorder points. And here's the game changer. You also get sales and component consumption history showing exactly how fast items move through your business. We can even customize the historic periods to suit your specific operations and sales cycle. Best part, it's always current because it connects directly to QuickBooks. No more exporting to spreadsheets or manual updates. You'll see your total inventory value and what percentage each item represents of your assets. Perfect for purchasing and planning decisions. But don't just take my word for it. Request your free trial today and see how this transforms your planning process and cash flow. It's a no-brainer for any manufacturer wanting ERP-level insights without the ERP price tag.